shit. Alright guys, ito na po yung ating dessert para sa banquet guys na 60 people. So meron pa tayong homemade na cake doon sa loob. So teka lang po guys. Yan, apple glaze carrot scoop, saka garlic mashed potato, vegetarian risotto, saka new steak with peppercorn sauce. Siyempre, dito yung kanilang salad guys. So, yan. Meron silang Waldorf salad, mixed greenhouse salad, saka tomato cheese salad. Saka yan, gawa natin yung mango cinnamon cake, saka isang ano to yung mango sponge cake. What's that? Mango sponge cake with like yema cake. Mango yema sponge cake, right? Yan. Ito na nagawa. So, nagawa tayo ng braso ni Mercedes. Yan. O braso ni Michael. Yan. So, yan. Ready na guys. So, ito yung banquet cakes namin guys. Yan. Let's go!